If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Bank of America, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bank of America online banking account by entering your username and password. If you don't have online access, consider using the mobile app or calling customer service. Step 2. Navigate to transactions. Once logged in, locate the section for transactions or account activity. This is typically found on the main dashboard or under the Accounts tab. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so find the specific one you want to address. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to the transaction, including the possibility of cancelling it. Step 5. Follow cancellation instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, cancelling a pending transaction with Bank of America can be done easily through your online account or app. If you encounter any issues, reaching out to customer service is a reliable alternative.